Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw for the title of this video, I gave her no warning that was starting the video.
Wait, I don't think you recorded.
Yeah, it's red. So we just did her makeup.
Yes.
That video should already be up on my channel, so it's gonna be linked down below. So this is Samantha. Everybody, if you've never met her, I've had like a lot of subscribers since we filmed my other video together. The last time we filmed the video together was like 2 years ago, maybe a year ago.
I think it was a year ago. Yeah.
So you guys know, tradition here, when Samantha comes, we do the mystery bags from Shop Miss--tery. So if you want to see what are in these bags, they're not really a mystery because for some reason they send them in a see-through bag. It's not a mystery if it's in a see-through bag. I don't know why they do that. But we paid, I think it's, well, I bought them, but $5 each. And they come with, I believe, 10 products in total in them. So we're going to see what products we each got. And we're going to talk about, do we recommend them? We've had a lot of experiences in the past opening these.
Yeah.
I'd say like 90% of the things I never use from these bags. But I'm hoping that they kind of up the game in these things. So if you want to see what we got in these bags, just keep on watching. Okay, so I think Samantha should go first since she's a guest.
I remember.
And we're not going to do like each because that's going to be too confusing. So we're going to have her unbag her bag first.
I remember we did it last time where we kind of closed our eyes and grabbed it. You want to do that?
Yeah, we could do that. Like,
oh, maybe because it's tied.
Why is it tied? Who tied this? And we do have a little fan going, girl. It is what it is. I've spoken about it so many times. It's hot in here. Because you could hear the muffling. And now it died. Why? The little fan died.
It slowly died. You gotta wait. Okay.
I mean, I could connect it. Should I connect it?
Yeah, just
okay, we'll be back. Okay, we're back. No improvements here, but we think we found the... Oh, and the mic is all the way over there. These have been kind of sort of fixed. I don't feel like I'm in frame, but Samantha's the star of the show. So unbag your bag.
Okay, so this is the bag. I accidentally looked at it 5 times, so we'll see. So first, what I popped up in the beginning was...
Wait, you know what? Okay.
Were these nails.
Oh.
Yeah, these are cute.
Okay.
I'm not into press-on.
Yeah, so it says no glue needed. So that means that they already have the little sticky stuff.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you have like a hair in your face, man. We're like so all over the place.
Oh,
but these nails are cute. I don't love the ones that come in this packaging from Shop Miss-tery because they're pre-glued. So that means they have the sticky stuff on them. But this is good like if you want to wear them for like one day or whatever for a party.
I also got this headband.
Oh,
this is
I like wearing those. Those are cute.
This is adorable.
Little headband.
It's white.
Yeah, it's like a cream and it has a little bow.
A bracelet. This is cute.
Okay,
it says
would you wear it?
I would wear it. It's cute.
Yeah.
It's really cute, actually.
Show it to the world.
Oh, yeah.
There's a look at that.
Oh, I got
you
this.
Probably can't see it.
Necklace.
What is it? Okay, so it just has like little. It's just like a gray tone. That's cute because it's small and like, you know.
Oh, this is adorable. I would wear this. This is so cute. So these
Some
are
earrings.
This is a 3-set earring. It's really
Let me see.
cute. Look at the little bears.
Oh, that is nice. The gold hoops are cute.
I like it.
Ooh,
They're really cute.
I've bought from this brand on the website before.
I feel like they stepped up from last time because last time, I'm not saying.
Yeah, last time wasn't that great. Oh, is that like a mat?
Yeah, this is the mat.
Oh,
this is really cute.
Oh yeah, okay. So if you want to make your nose match, oh, that's interesting. I've had these before. I wonder how it works. So that's how many so far? 5.
Yes.
Oh, we're revisiting this again. If you guys saw our other videos, the lip pop. This is like the infamous lipstick that nobody buys, so they throw it in here.
Oh wow.
So you want to see what color it is, at least? Oh, this is a pretty color, though.
That's a really cute color.
Okay. It's just packaging, girl. Like, nobody buys these. That's why they keep throwing them in here.
Okay, so I have 3 more things. I have a highlighter.
Oh, what shade is that? It's in the back.
I have a lot of these. Private Show. It's called Private
that looks
Show.
Nice. That's actually a good product. Eyeshadow? Oh.
And then
it's like a
baked shadow right here.
What shade is that?
Goblin.
Okay.
Goblin.
Going with that Halloween
is not
theme.
Cute, but and then we have a
I'm like not in frame.
This is a lip liner.
Yeah.
Oh,
what shade is that?
This is Insta.
Oh, that's
cute.
a cute one. What do you rate your bag? You got some good stuff.
Yeah, out of 10, I would probably rate it an 8 or a 9.
Okay.
This is
I think it
for
was like
$5.
stuff that you could use.
Yeah.
Like the shadow can definitely use. Halloween's coming up. It's a dark color. Highlight you can use. Lip liner.
The makeup.
The lipstick, I think it's like I don't know. That was the one that I would say. But I don't know about you. I don't know
Why
if you
is it
like it. I don't know. They always throw those in there. You guys saw in our other videos.
Oh. Oops, I think I broke it.
Yeah, that's just the top. But I really am intrigued by the match.
Yeah.
That one's interesting. And the little headband too. And this was like a very jewelry heavy bag.
But
you got 3 jewelry
this
pieces.
lipstick color is really nice.
Yeah, swatch it for them. Oh, okay. It's cute. Show it to them.
Streaky.
Yeah, it's a little streaky.
But it's cute. Like cute for like a quick 1-2.
Yeah.
Okay, your turn.
I'm so sweaty and I'm not in frame. But we're getting through this.
Do you have a face wipe?
For what? Oh.
Oh.
Like, what do you need it for?
Like.
Okay, let me try to get in frame.
Okay. Oh.
So, my bag is purple. That's the difference, you know.
Cute. Super cute.
Let's see what I got in here. So, first off, okay, it's like a head thing. Oh, is it? Oh, it's like a head wear. I think we've gotten these before.
No, I don't.
No?
I don't think so.
So, it says you can use it. It shows you various ways you can use this. It's it's just like a scarf. You can use it on your head. You can use it to cover your mouth like a mask. So it's like very different ways of using it. It's a cute like purple color.
That's random.
Oh, that's cute, I guess. I don't really use these a lot, but people put these on like as a mask, kind of, even though it's like super thin. So it's kind of like a scarf. It's cute, not something I would wear. Maybe I could use it as a bracelet. Don't know what's happening, but I'll just keep it on like that. Let's see. It looks like I got nails. Ooh,
so
okay.
Cute. These are
for like Halloween style or even whenever. So these are 12-piece natural, delicate, and comfortable do-it-yourself nails. I don't think these... Oh, wow. It comes with the nail glue. So these don't have the little sticky stuff. So they are pretty long. I don't know if I'm comfortable with this length, especially with like doing work and going to work every day and stuff. But that's a really nice style. They're like a metallic gray nail.
Those are
what do you think?
Cute. I wouldn't wear them, but they're cute.
Yeah, they're super long. But, you know, you guys know me. I have a lot of nails. Next, we have jewelry. These are cute. They're little stud earrings.
Cute.
So, it comes with 3 set right there. It comes with, like, a clear style, like a pink one, and, like, a green stud. Would you use these? Oh, you don't change your earrings a lot.
I don't as often, but I do in a way. It just depends on how I feel.
But these are stud earrings. Next we have, it looks like a liquid lipstick. Princesa matte liquid lipstick. I'm not going to keep this. I might just take it to work. But it's just liquid lipstick.
I don't want it.
Oh, if you want, you could keep it. I don't want it. You guys know I have too many liquid lipsticks. But this one here is in the shade Dahlia.
Cute.
And let's see. Can you do the honors?
Yes.
Oh, it's a nice like summer shade.
It's a really cute shade. I don't know
okay, so if you want to keep it, you can have it. And this actually goes with your lip liner.
It does. Oh, wow, it does.
So you can have that, man. You're welcome. So next, we have a keychain. It has a little butterfly on it. That's cute.
That is cute.
No, just to put it in your bag. It has like, it's like a silver chain. It has some pink to it too.
That's really cute.
That's cute. Okay, I like that. Definitely would keep that. It looks like I got a lip liner as well. I don't know if it's the same color. Insta. Nobody buys this color. That's what they. But you could keep it if you want it. So we got the same. That's like the only duplicate so far.
Yeah.
Ooh. I got a brow pencil. This is a C'est La Vie. I'm surprised we never get brow pencils in here.
No, that's the first time. Actually.
What? This is a C'est La Vie brow pencil. Because we don't want to yell on the mic. It's going to be too loud. This is a brow pencil in... Literally, oh, this one's in dark brown. Okay, so it's a micro brow pencil in dark brown. Super cute. Feeling someone wants to steal it for me. But let's take a look at that. My nail broke. It's a great day. It keeps breaking. The ones from Dollar Tree I talked about in my channel, you guys know they suck. So I can't open it. Okay, let's see.
Wasn't that ring the one that we got from last time?
Ring?
Your ring.
It is?
It is. I remember it.
What? There's a look at that with my broken nail. You're moving the camera.
Oh.
How dare you?
Sorry.
There's a look at the brow pencil. Okay, spoolie.
Oh, cute.
And it is a micro brow pencil. It kind of looks like the Slim Brow that I use on you.
Yeah.
And then the shade, so it's like a dark brown shade. That's pretty. It's something I would use. So if you want, you could have it, because I do have some.
Yes.
And it does come with the spoolie. That's a cute addition. I like that.
Yeah.
And Celavi is a good brand. Wow. Okay, we have like 3 more products in this bag. Oh, okay. So this is a necklace.
That's cute.
So it has like a little moon, like a half crescent moon, and it's like pretty heavy, and it looks like it has like the space.
That's cute.
I'm surprised. Really, what? If you want to open it while I show them the other stuff.
Yes.
And then we have a highlight. These are cute. This is a baked highlight. You guys know. I think we've gotten these before. I think you got one. No, you got an eyeshadow. But yeah, this is cute. It's a nice like pink color in the shade Luxe. Okay, so it just fell out. You like moon stuff. Why is this like bag for you? Like, you
this bag was for me, not for homegirl. She was like
all the stuff that she likes is in this bag.
Oh, this is cute. This is really cute.
That's nice. And the chain is like, it looks good quality. Is that heavy?
Yeah, it's pretty heavy. Hold on, let me just put this.
This is the highlight. It's a nice pinky kind of moment. I just hit the mic, but hopefully it doesn't sound horrible. And there's the look. That's a cute highlight look. It's like a pinky,
really
pinky vibe. Cute. I think I've owned these before. I'm not the biggest fan of them, but this is a cute color. I might keep it. Chain
with the chain. Did you see it?
It's nice.
It's really cute.
Cute. I'm surprised. I've never seen that on the site. Lastly, for my bag, we have a nail polish. This is from Beauty Treats, and it's a beautiful purple shade in the shade Groovy. That's really nice. So I rate mine at 10 out of 10. Except for the scarf. The scarf, I'm like, I could do without. But oh my god, everything in this bag is cute.
That's a cute. Can you see?
Yeah.
That's a cute color.
The nails are cute. Obviously, I don't know when I'm gonna wear them, but I'm obviously gonna keep them maybe for Halloween. I can put them on, and I'm so happy that it doesn't have the sticky stuff in them. So, what is your favorite, like, out of everything that you got in your bag?
The jewelry.
The jewelry was
was
nice.
really
They
cute.
stepped it up with the jewelry. Remember, it was like stuff that would fall apart. Literally in the video, it's falling apart.
I remember specifically we had that ring.
Oh, I literally don't remember. I have a little butterfly ring that I'm using.
So I remember the jewelry was cheap.
Yeah,
it was really cheap.
Very
and
cheap.
now they stepped it up. The makeup, they stepped it up. They're using now like more known brands. I feel.
The AOA Studio brands are in there. The headband was cute for you.
Yeah.
Are you gonna use that?
How is it? I mean, no.
It's cute.
Do you want to see how it feels?
Oh yeah. Okay. It's very like. It's cute for pictures, or maybe like Halloween if you want to do something cute. Like,
let me see.
I don't even know. It's cute though.
Cause I can't.
Like to the side, like if you put it to.
Like that.
It's cute. I like it.
It's just very loose.
Yeah, but even with the shirt you're wearing, it looks cute. It matches a little bit.
I was Mickey Mouse earlier in a different one.
I'm so sweaty.
I mean, it's a cute vibe, but I mean, this, like, if let's say I go on a roller coaster.
Yeah, like it's not, obviously you can't wear it for like theme parks or for work, maybe not. But it's cute for like going to the store or whatever. I really like the additions of the nail polishes. Are both really nice. This is a matte. Moment, you could use this for whatever color you want and make it more matte looking, and then the purple's cute if you want it. So we could get into the section where, well, I obviously rated 10 out of 10. I really liked mine, and then you said
I said like it was like an 8-9 out of 10.
Yeah, but they got way better from the last time. We could get into the mode where we take our little bag and we start exchanging products. So let's see, what do you want?
The necklace.
So she's taking the little necklace that I got, the little moon.
Yes.
But she likes like that stuff. So what about the nail polishes? I'm okay without nail polishes. I'm not going to keep a lot of stuff because I always declutter and I don't really need. I could keep the matte.
But I want to use the matte on the
Okay, take it. I don't want them. I have too much stuff. Like,
like
everything.
Just do it. Just do it.
Yeah, I just bought it because, you know, so we could do this video. These nails, for sure, you're not going to use them, so I'm going to keep. And I can use them for, like, Halloween or whenever I'm off of work. But for sure, every day, like, I cannot wear this to work. But I'll definitely keep these. So that's going in my bag. Okay, brow pencil. You say you're going to keep it, right?
Yeah.
So okay, so this is just a box. Okay.
It's already in here with the rest of my stuff.
All right, what is this? Little keychain with a little butterfly. You want to keep it? Okay, so I'll keep that. This is yours, homegirl. I do not want it.
What's wrong with it?
It's yours. Keep it. Just keep it. This highlight, if you don't want it, I'll keep it.
Keep it.
It's a cute color, the Lux highlight. So I have 3 products so far.
I am going to take the liquid lip.
Both lip liners are the same color.
So I just take one lip liner.
You can take both.
Oh,
Keep them.
okay. I'll just take.
So all the makeup she's basically keeping except the highlight.
Yes.
This is yours.
I don't want this.
Keep it.
I don't want it.
Just keep that.
I'm just not a fan.
This is cute, but I gave you a lot of these, so I don't want it.
Yeah, I don't want it either.
So I'll just keep it then. Private show. What happened?
I dropped it.
That one's cute for Halloween though. It goes with my nails.
So you gonna keep it?
But Samantha could keep it for now. Okay, I did get these
I don't want
earrings. I literally okay, I'll keep them. I mean, it was cute. I'll keep these.
I want to.
Fine. Oh,
they're so cute. I love the
many.
bear. Those are adorable.
Okay, I guess she's keeping most of the stuff.
But you can have this. Look, let me.
No, I don't want it. You could keep the nails.
I don't want
to have to take these to work.
She can have this. If you just
What
put
is
it in
that?
there.
This is cute because it's like a dainty little necklace. And then this, I could probably take it to work and just give it away to someone. So this I'm keeping. So basically, I actually did keep a lot. I kept the press-ons, some jewelry, and the highlight.
So this is what I kept. I kept a lot of the jewelry.
Yeah, a lot of the makeup. Yeah, the nail polishes. I mean, yeah. Oh, what about the headband?
Oh, you can have
It's
it.
cute. You can keep it.
I don't want
I'm putting it in her bag. It's good to go. Okay, so that's it. We made it to the end. Again, I think they really stepped up their game with these bags. Would you recommend it to a friend or family member or whatever?
Now?
Oh, yes. I forgot about the scarf.
You can have it. Now, I think yes, I would recommend it because it has a variety of things for many people. It's not just like. I remember last time it was only for
Just
a specific,
like cheap stuff.
Yeah.
Nobody wants
And then now they added like an eyebrow pencil was random.
I know that was a really good addition and a good color.
Mm-hmm.
Dark brown is good.
And then it was the liquid lipstick. They always add a liquid lipstick, but I feel like now they're using
and 2 lip liners. I think the lip liner was the only repeated item.
Yes,
That's the only thing we got in the same color and everything. But I definitely recommend for your friends or family or your cousin, your nephew, whoever wants it. Yeah, I think it's worth it. $5 for 10 products.
Because now they stepped
10.
up. It wasn't like before where it was just like random
cheap
stuff.
Yeah. So I think I would recommend. So we both recommend it. Definitely check it out if you haven't. Checked out their little mystery bag. I wish they would come out with a creative bag to put them in because this is just not cute. Like, I like the bag and it's nice and roomy, but I don't like that you could see it because it makes it not a mystery. But I think that's the only critique. And then everything else, they really did step up the game. They started adding more stuff that we actually can use. And this was fun. Would you come back?
I would come
do
back.
another one. So we can do it in a couple
back.
months or whatever. And we'll check it out to see if they still doing great or if they like went back to putting cheap stuff. So that's it. I have a Shaman Say playlist. I think I also created a playlist of ours where we just like have all the videos of ours that we've done together. So it's gonna be in the description box below. And that's it. Do you want them to find you anywhere?
You can find me on Instagram, Sam2_28.
Okay.
I am private, so you could friend request me. I'm still kind of figuring that out, but yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And that's it. We made it to the end. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Bye.